How to fix Messenger video call camera settings. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Now scroll down. Navigate to the app option Messenger. Once you find it, open it. Then you're going to find different options. You'll find the option of camera over here. Toggle on for it. Likewise, toggle on for the option of microphone. If you have already enabled for these options, you can disable it. Now wait for a few seconds and again enable it. With that, your problem will be fixed. Likewise, another thing you can do is close this. Launch your app store. Now search for the app Messenger. Make sure you are using the latest version of Messenger app. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, what you can do is open your settings, then head towards the option of general. Navigate to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. By checking all these settings, your problem will be fixed. Well, this way you can easily fix Messenger video call camera settings. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.